deTec4 safety light curtains by SICK embody reliable protection of people, machines, and systems with improved productivity and increased efficiency. You can use deTec4 safety light curtains immediately because you don't need a laptop and no software installation is required. You can activate all included functions using the system plug. You can detach the system plugs, which enable you to exchange your devices quickly. You just exchange the receiver and take over the configuration stored in the system plug. Thanks to integrated beam coating, the deTec4 is not sensitive to ambient light from other safety light curtains installed close to it. You can set the code individually for each sensor and directly in the plug. deTec4 is intelligently standardized thanks to M12 connection technology. The device's full range of functions is covered by just 4 system plugs, making the system incredibly easy to cascade and allowing for a reset push button to be connected. Up to 3 protective fields may be positioned adjacent to one another without blind zones, providing presence detection, for example. deTec4 Prime Safety Light Curtains from SICK have a modular structure. The basic functions are always included, but you can expand the range of functions at any time using the SP1 System plug. deTec4, because we take safety to the next level.